Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about how to prevent vacation bloat. A couple weeks ago, no, over a month ago, I was on vacation. I went back home to Jamaica. I was there for the weekend and I had the most amazing time. Now, regardless of that fact, while I was there, I was super duper bloated. Okay, mind you, leading up to the vacation from January, I've been working out consistently. My body was looking nice. I was starting to, shape out and full out and whatever. So when I got the opportunity to go back home and, I was gonna be like, oh my God, we're gonna be in bikinis, we're gonna be in the pool, my body's gonna look good. No, I was super duper bloated. And I was bloated from the moment I landed until the moment I got back home. How to prevent this from happening? Girl, I was not aware of this at all, clearly, until after the fact. I looked it up and realized that it was a real thing. Like, you can't get bloated before you get, before you get on vacation or while you're on vacation or whatever the case. And this is why I'm here to help. Okay, this is why I'm here making this video. This is my plea to you. This is my good deed for the week. You're welcome. First things first, the day before the trip, make sure that you get enough sleep. Sleep. Get as much rest as possible. For me personally, I don't like road trips that much. If the drive is going to be over 3 hours, I will meet you there. I'm taking a flight. Okay. If you're going to be on a flight, try as much as possible to move around on the plane. Move around. Try also not to consume any alcohol on the plane. That's going to add to the bloating. I promise you. As hard as it is, even though the cocktails are like kind of pricey, still, because me, every time I fly, I always stop the person and be like, yo, let me get some Tito's and Sprite. And girl, try not to drink on the flight. Make sure that you have a bottle of water. Drink your water. If you can take a nap on the plane, take a nap. If you get the opportunity to walk around the cabin, do that. Let the blood circulate so that you do not get bloated. Now, when you make it to your destination, it's important that you take a nap. If you did not get to sleep on the plane, take a nap. You've been up from morning, you're doing all these things. Your body needs some sort of a rest. Take a nap. I cannot stress that enough. Mind you, when I got there, it was full on party mode. We were doing shots. I had to go back to my room, shower, get dressed. I fell asleep for like an hour. I don't know how, but I did. I fell asleep and then my phone was ringing off the hook. Lori, let's go. We gotta go next place. All right, boom, got up, left. I promise you, carve out some time before the festivities begin. After you get to your hotel room, when you land and you check in and you're in your room, take a nap. Okay? Let your body rest and recharge. Okay? Think about the time difference. That helps. Okay? So far we have, do not stay up late the night before. Okay? When you're in the airport, try not to drink any alcohol. I know. Try not to drink any alcohol. Have as much water in the system as possible. When you're on the plane, try to move around. Okay? When you're on the plane, do not buy any alcohol from the hostesses. Okay? When you're on the plane, drink water. Try to get a nap in, especially if you know when you land, you're not getting any sleep. Okay? If you don't get to take a nap when you get to your hotel, take a nap, turn off your phone, text the group chat and be like, listen, I'm out of commission for the next 2 hours. I'll catch up with you guys. Take a nap. Okay? When you wake up, you're recharged, you're ready to go. You're going to look amazing in your little two-piece. Thank me later. All right. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section. If you have any tips and tricks to prevent vacation bloat, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.